regarding the municipal elections and a full timetable dila, delimitation, everything. Finally, the court has said that the election should be held by 4th January. Ata, there were two things. I was an intervener in that petition. Why I intervened? Because the earlier petitions म्हण्टाले ordinance should be squashed. आम्ही ते पहिले तो ordinance squash जावंक शकना because ordinance, the power of the legislature to make laws. Or issuing an ordinance, they immediately approve it in the assembly when the assembly begins. So there was no doubt in that. So we took a stand. Also, ordinance should be squashed, but the election should be. You cannot allow the ordinance because ordinance only says does not give any date when the election will be held. So the idea was to postpone this government, according to me, is scared of facing the people of Goa. But what surprises me how the opposition kept quiet and silent. I will figure to you when the Congress party was the main contestant in the Ponda by-election, and when that Ponda by-election was challenged, there also Congress was very slow. It was I who intervened. So the court struck down that, saying that it should not be held. Had the Congress party was the main contestant in the Ponda election, had to intervene, the result could have been of the court and the mind of the court could have been different. So what I am trying to say is, when 11 municipalities, सरकार आपल्या ताब्यान घेता, आपले ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अपॉइंट करता, आपणाक जाय तो कारभार चलयता आणि ओपोजिशन हेजेर सायलंट आसा, हे लोकांनी आता हेजेर विचार करपाचे कितें ते. व्हॉट इज द ट्रिक्स इन दिस गेम? दिस इज ट्रिक्स, पॉलिटिक्स काय कितें? सो आता कोर्टान कितें केला? upheld the ordinance. We are also not concerned. My prayer is that keep the ordinance aside, but give a time-bound date. Otherwise, the court says the ordinance is there. ताका 2 वर्सांनी पासून तू इलेक्शन केलें काय जावचें ना. So the court has heard our prayer, heard our lawyer very cautiously, and has passed a conscious order that with a timetable that by 4th January results of the assembly elections, the municipal election should be over. Now, there is a question, what will the state do this and that? One of the observations the court has made, and I am reading again, the state government shall therefore not issue and the state commission will not entertain any request which has the effect of postponing the timetable fixed by this court on considerations, various considerations, assembly election lagia, administrative staff na, kai na. Kide ha, that before the time date of every like delimitation asa, reservation asa, all take a time that if there is any problem, before that date can approach, not after it is over, come to the High Court with a grievance on affidavit and explain to us why it is not possible. So this is a slap on the face of this government. What to speak about the opposition, I do not know, because I am not part of the opposition. But the real opposition that is vibrating and showing that they want to dance in the floor of the house, ती फक्त नाटकां, assembly जी चलता ती नाटकां, आपूण हिरो, आपूण व्हडलो, आपूण काय ना थंयसर. काँग्रेस पक्षान लिगल लुमिनरी म्हणून आसा. ताका जयंतीन म्हटला तो तू ऑपोजिशनाचो एडवायझर काय सरकाराचो एडवायझर. दे आर ऑल क्वायट. ही परिस्थिती या ऑपोजिशनाची. लोकांक कंटाळो येयलो ह्या पक्षाचो, सरकाराचो. बट सी हाव द ऑपोजिशन इज प्लेइंग. कॅन पिपलाक विश्वास आसा ऑपोजिशन आसा, एकठांय जातात, एकठांय वयर जातात, कांयच कोणाक समजना.
तुमकां दिसना सरकार हेचेर खंय तरी स्टे घेतलो कशी?
ना म्हाका दिसना. स्टे कित्याचेर हाडटले ते? स्टेजे डेट्साचेर कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट is going to say don't have the elections? No. If the ordinance had to be struck down, maybe there would have been some confusion. But in this case, I don't think. And if they are going to have a stay, what are you trying to do? Stay on what? stay on people to vote for people. Sir, that's a grassroots level organization, mare. Municipality after पंचायती municipality आणि 11 municipality त्यांच्या हातीन जेव्हा आपण ते डायरेक्ट 12-13 असेंब्ली कॉन्स्टिट्यून्सी हातीन दिलाय तुम्ही चलोवपाक. युअर अर्थ आणि द होल ऑपोजिशन इज सायलेंट. आय स्टील हॅड द करेज टू गो अँड इंटरव्हीन इन दिस पेटिशन.
पण सर अशें ही असेंब्ली जावच्या पयलीं म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन जावपाक जाय आसलें.
फाटीं जावंक जाली एप्रील मेयान.
पण तेंच्यांनी आज पर्यंत कित्याक घेतलें नाशिल्लें तुमकां दिसता?
भियेतात न्हू ते लोकांच्या फुड्यान वचपाक. भियेतात ते लोकांच्या फुड्यान वचपाक. तिका आतां नाका, सगळ्यांक बैलांक कामाक जाय आतां. तुम्ही आमकां वावरात मागीर आतां परते जालां. आतां बीजेपीच्या लिडरांनी आपल्या कार्यकर्त्यांक सपोर्ट करचो पडटलो आनी थंय फुटाफूट जातली. तशेंच काँग्रेसीन, तशेंच गोवा फॉरवर्ड सगळ्यांनी आतां तुमी कार्यकर्त्यांक सपोर्ट करप पयले. नाजाल्यार कार्यकर्ते काम करून घेता आनी तिका मागीर नाचयतात जाय तरे.
हायकोर्टान जे डिसिजन दिला सध्या तेचेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें? यू आर हॅपी विथ इट?
There was no better decision. We wanted a time-bound election. We wanted the dates to be fixed up, and the court has given special dates, not 40 days ago, 50 days ago. Very clearly, delimitation reservation all the full slab is ready. It is there.